Hi, my name is Weston Donner. I have been with the Medical Health Institute for going on 6 months now. I am doing this review to show my experience with them. At first, was I skeptical? No, not really at all. I was recommended from one of my good friends, Jonathan, and from his experience with them, he had nothing but great reviews or great experience with the Medical Health Institute, so I took his word for it. And after talking with Michael on the phone, I wasn't really skeptical at all. I was 40 pounds overweight, no sex drive, no energy. My shoulders hurt from being dislocated, my back hurt from being broke, and they said they had some peptides that could help with that. So when did I start seeing results? I felt better within 2 weeks, started feeling better, and I've been seeing results ever since then. When I went back home for Christmas, my family couldn't believe the difference in my energy levels and the way I looked. My wife is extremely happy with my sex, levels. They're a lot higher than they used to be, which I'm very thankful for. What would I say to someone considering hormone replacement therapy or peptide therapy? Do it. It helps you be the better version of you. And the Medical Health Institute has helped me immensely. From day one, they're always there with every step, information. Every single step of the way, they're there for you with any sort of questions, any sort of information, recommendations, everything from peptides to testosterone to all the products that they have, and they keep in touch with you all the time. And I can't thank you enough to Michael and Janik and the doctor for being there for me. It has changed me back to the person I used to be, or even better than I've ever really thought I could be. They've helped me. My overall experience, amazing. Absolutely amazing. I'd recommend it to anybody that was in need, and I have. I just cannot say enough about the Medical Health Institute and their crew, their facility. They've helped me out more than I could ever imagine. Yeah, they're great. I would recommend it to anybody. Thank you.